Welcome to the Math School by Ifra. In this video, we are going to discuss arithmetic progressions. Okay, at GCSE O levels, you learned that the number of sequence is a list of numbers and that the number in the sequence are called the terms in the sequence. A linear sequence such as 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 is also called an arithmetic progression. Each term differs from the term before by a constant. This constant is called the common difference. The notation used for arithmetic progression is A is for the first term, D is the common difference, and L is for the last term. Okay. The common difference is also allowed to be 0 or negative. Again, the common difference is also allowed to be 0 or negative. For example, 10, 6, 2, minus 2, etc. and 5, 5, 5, 5 are both arithmetic progressions. The first 5 terms of an arithmetic progression whose first term is A and whose common difference is D are A term 1, A plus D is term 2, A plus 2D is term 3, A plus 3D is term 4, A plus 4D is term 5. From this pattern, we can see that the formula for the nth term is given by nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, let's have a look at some of the questions. Find the number of terms in the arithmetic progression minus 3, 1, 5, 9, 13 and 237. Now using A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to 4 and the nth term is 237. Nth term is given by the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So 237 is equal to minus 3 plus 4 into n minus 1. So 237 plus 3 is 240 is equal to 4n minus 4. So 240 plus 4 is equal to 4n. N is equal to 244 divided by 4, that is 61. Therefore, the number of terms in the arithmetic progression is 61. Okay, the fourth term of an arithmetic progression is 7 and the 10th term is 16. Find the first term and the common difference. Fourth term is given to be as 7. So that is A plus 3D is 7. 10th term is 16. So A plus 9D is 16. So subtracting 2 from 1 gives 6D is equal to D. And D is equal to 6 over 9, that is 1.5. Substituting into 1 gives A plus 4.5 is equal to 7. A is equal to 2.5. So the first term is 2.5 and the common difference is 1.5. Okay, let's have a look at another question. The nth term of an arithmetic progression is 5 minus 6n. Find the first term and the common difference. Now substitute n is equal to 1 into nth term 5 minus 6n. First term is 5 minus 6, 1, that is minus 1. Substitute n is equal to 2 into the nth term 5 minus 6n. So second term is equal to 5 minus 6, 2 is equal to minus 7. Common difference is second term minus first term. So minus 7 minus 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 7 plus 1, so minus 6. So the first term is minus 1. And the common difference is minus 6. Okay, sum of an arithmetic progression. When the terms in a sequence are added together, we call the resulting sum a series. The sum of an arithmetic progression Sn can be written as Sn is equal to n over 2a plus L or Sn is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, let's have a look at another question. In an arithmetic progression, the first term is minus 12 and the 17th term is 12 and the last term is 45. Find the sum of all the terms in the progression. We start by working out the common difference. Nth term is given by the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So 12 is equal to minus 12 plus 16D. 12 plus 12 is 16D. 24 is 16D. So D is 24 over 16 and D turns out to be 3 by 2. Okay. Now we determine the number of terms in the whole sequence. Nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. 45 is equal to minus 12 plus 3 by 2 into n minus 1. So n minus 1 is, by solving this, we get n minus 1 is 38, n is 39. 38 plus 1 is 39. Finally, we can work out the sum of all the terms. Sn is n by 2, A plus L, Sn is 39 over 2 minus 12 plus 45. So that turns out to be 643.5. So the nth term is 39. The number of terms in the sequence is 39 and the sum of the terms of the sequence is 643.5.